I'm going to check the leg length. She has a right short leg, and now I'm going to have her turn her head to the left. Turn your head to the right. Okay, I'm feeling for that bump or that heel tension that goes up. And we're going to look for trap tightness. Okay, I'm going to start at T1 and go out from there. Tell me which one is more tender. 3, 4, 5. Oh, we got it. Okay, 5, 3, 2. Now I'm going to start at the, I'm going to start over here at the upper trap bit towards the shoulder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any of those tender?
4.
Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any of those tender?
Also 4.
Okay, so 4. So we find the correlation of 4 on the spine, which T4. Okay, so we're going to check it here at C3. Is that tender right there? Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to what's the other one? You get to say it. I don't remember.
C3,
C3.
T4, T5, and L1.
Okay. T4, T5, is that tender?
Yes.
Okay. And then L1 right there. Is that tender?
No.
Okay, which one's the most tender?
T4.
Okay, so we're going to get on the spinous, do a knife edge contact. I'm going to just put a thrust into it. Then I'm going to come back up to the trap and check that same spot that's most tender, which is over here on 4. Is that better?
Yes.
Okay, great. And now I'm going to block for category 1 and shoes. Thank you. Okay, so short leg side, we're going to go up on the trochanter and long leg side down. Okay, so they're facing each other like that. Now we're going to look for the crest sign and the dollar sign. I'm going to push these muscles together. Pull them apart and see the muscles bunch. Okay, so the major sign is the right side, which is also the short leg side, and you always adjust the major side first. Okay, for sacral base, I'm going to be on S2 tubercle. Have you cough for me? Okay, and it goes straight up, and that's indicated that we need to block for positive, which would be a smiley face configuration. So we move this here and block for the sacrum like that, and then we'll have you inhale, and I'm pulling down on the apex part of the sacrum on inhale. Okay, gonna do that, and we're going to recheck, so I'll be back on S2 and cough.